The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Mason County, Lewis County, southeastern Adams County in south central Ohio, southern Pike County in south central Ohio, Scioto County in south central Ohio, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pike Lake to near Rome to Lewisburg, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Portsmouth, Wheelersburg, New Boston, Piketon, Vanceburg, South Webster, Lewisburg, Rosemount, Clarktown, Camp Dix, Rome, Lucasville, Foxford, Head of Grass Sea, Tollsboro, Sciotadale, Blue Creek, Rawton, Otway, and Concord. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Boyd County, Greenup County, Carter County, southwestern Gallia County, southern Jackson County, Lawrence County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Pike Lake to 6 miles east of West Union to near Lewisburg, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ashland, Ironton, Grayson, Cold Grove, Olive Hill, Oak Hill, Rio Grande.